Let's get started. So again guys, welcome. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito na maaga. Alam ko halos lahat kayo dumating. Sobrang excited sila guys. Yung iba dumating 2 o'clock. Wow. O, di ba? Good job. Yung mga nasa harap, yung mga nakuha ng magandang pwesto. So to get things started, I'd like to turn the mic over to Direct Mike. We'll give you magkukwento lang siya tungkol sa movie and then we'll show you the trailer. So Direct Mike.
Hello guys! May question lang, meron bang nagla-live broadcast?
Yes.
Ay, good. Dami nagtatanong kasi kanina sa Twitter. I'm really, after the press con, tinatanong nga sa amin, ang daming nagtanong ng mga fans, bakit daw yung mga questions, karamihan was about their personal lives. Lalo na kasi ang daming fans ng Aldab who don't really watch Filipino movies or hindi masyadong nanonood ng mga ibang TV shows. So nanibago sila nung nakita nila yung live feed nung press con. Bakit daw ganon? Bakit daw, there was no question asked about the actual making of the movie and all of that. Lalo na kami tatlo, I think 80%, 85% ng mga pinag-uusapan namin, especially when we were making the movie, saka pagkatapos, is about work. Ako kasi, I really make a point na to stay outside of their private life, di ba? So yun naman yung sabi ko, hindi, iba-iba naman yan. Sabi ko, nung in-interview kami ng Broadsheet, iba rin naman yun. Sabi ko sa BlogCon, iba rin yun. So, subaybayan nyo na lang. So, I'm very happy to be here with these two. Siyempre. We just came off of a very good episode of Sunday Pinasaya. So, super fun. So, sana, nandito kayo, baka napanood nyo ng content. So, I wanted to just start things out by showing you guys again the trailer, hopefully, for the ones who haven't seen it yet. So, you will see it here.
Naniniwala ako po na pagkakataon in this world, or in this universe rather, ay nagaganap dahil may dahilan. Everything happens for a reason. At ang dahilan ay upang matagpuan mo ang iyong meant to be.
Dimples pa siya. Pili ko siya na magiging first boyfriend.
Mag-ingat-ingat ka dyan sa mga gwapang lalaki na pinulila yung mga panahon niya mga yan.
Ganda ng phone mo.
Mali mo, ito na yung soulmate ni Gara.
Teka, hindi ko may imagination?
Imagination. Ay ka ba?
Ay, din po.
I was at your station 2 days ago. I reported my bag was stolen. I found a thief.
Ako ba yun?
Ba't tinatayo-tayo mo dyan? Halika na. I just want to make it up to you. Coffee, ice cream, lunch. Kailangan ko ba makiusap?
Libre ba?
Sige.
Kung libre naman pala, saan sinabi mo kanina? Hindi pa tayo ito lang iniintay eh. Hindi tago sa ng bone marrow. Yun mo.
Tama.
Alam mo, girl, kilala kita. At alam mo na-feel ko, kumukopia ka na din kay Andrew.
Scusi, signore!
Nakakita ng boyfriend mo. Ito kami ng boyfriend mo. Friend lang.
Yan, tata! Hindi nga.
Hindi ka pa nagkakaroon ng totoong heartbreak kasi hindi ka pa in love.
Benton! Para kahit gano'n ko sa isang bagay. Pwede ka rin ako.
You're meant to be with someone who makes you smile like that. Alam mo sigara, tutulad ko yan magmahal. Lahat ng hindi kaya mo.
O ito na yung rumulog mo yun. Tumating ka sa buhay mo. Pakakaroon mo pa ba?
Tuloy na talaga pag-alis mo. Bakit di mo sinabi sa akin?
Ano gusto mong sabihin ko? Hindi na ako mo sa'yo kasi mahal na kita. Ganun ba?
Alden Richards. May Mendoza.
Hindi ko kaya pagkalit sa kanya isang bagay na alam ko kung dito sa kanya. I love him too much to do that.
Imagine you and me.
Ba't hindi pigil yung mga mata mo?
Bakit?
Sige na, pigil mo. Sige, imagine ka. Sino ba may isip mong kasama mo?
Sino bang gusto mong imagine mo?
Ako.
Filmed by Michael Covilla. In cinemas, July 13.
Oh guys, pag di pa kayo kinilig doon, siguro sobrang jaded yun na sa pag-ibig. Grabe na yan. So, as we get started, no, so baka Alden Main, pwede kayo magkwento ng konti about the movie, yung experience making it, ano yung para sa inyo, kung ano yung mga highlights. So, Main, ladies first.
Ladies first. Ikaw na.
Well, kasi share ko lang nung nung unang pagdating namin doon, yung first week, medyo nahihirapan kami kasi yung weather doon hindi nakikisama. Pagdating namin doon, unang linggo, umuulan. So, may mga araw na na-pack up kami, tapos may mga araw na late kami nagsisimula, merong mga araw na ilang sequence lang yung natitake namin. So, ang daming naging adjustments. Dapat kasi supposedly yung Sunday namin is free day. Pero nang dahil ang daming nangyari, ang daming aberyang nangyari doon, parang yung Sundays namin, naging work day na rin. Pero ayun naman, good thing na natapos naman din, di ba? Wala naman tayong, meron mga kaming mga na-reshoot doon, yung mga na-reshoot na eksena, mga heavy scenes bilang isa, dalawa, bilang. So ayun, medyo naman masaya mag-shoot doon kahit syempre bagong experience sa akin and yung role ko doon and yung mga eksena ng heavy na hindi naman ako sanay bilang light lang yung mga roles na ginagampanan ko talaga. So yun, medyo nag-struggle lang ako pero masaya yung naging experience namin ni Alden doon. And naging close. Yung relationship, hindi direct, yung relationship natin lahat doon. Diba? Family tayo, hindi tayo parang magkakatrabaho lang doon. As in, napamahal tayo sa isa't isa talaga.
Ayun, and then actually first time ko po and first time din namin to shoot a movie abroad. So tagal ko po sa showbiz, parang this is the perfect time to really do something big like this. And it's our way of giving back as well. Marami na pong, after tamang pa naman actually all of the fans and the supporters were clamoring for a movie. So parang this was the perfect time, kumbaga parang 1 year in the making. So we're just very proud of the outcome of the movie. Parang when we were dubbing it, we saw the edit of the film. So, masarap po yung naging experience, masaya and very fulfilled. And we really can't wait for July 12 and 15.
Okay, so we'll open the floor up for questions. But before we do that, so ang magtatanong, ang tinuro ko kung yung kalimutan yung sinabi ko kanina, bouncer din ako guys. So, kaya ako malaki, di ba? So, request lang natin as much as possible for the Q&A. Let's try to keep it to the movie. Kasi kung titignan nyo din talaga rin yung Twitter, sobrang lahat ng tanong ng Aldab Nation, sana yung mga tanong daw natin tungkol sa movie. So, baka Gemma, we can start with you.
Hello po. Hi, from Orange Magazine. Curious lang ako kasi walang GMA na, I know, hindi siya GMA Films.
Hindi
Anyways, ba't co-prod lang siya? And paano nagawa yung story? Is it yung Alden na o naka-ready na yung script? O tinailor talaga siya para sa cast? And siguro mga 2 trivias about the movie na you can share.
In terms of yung script, no, when it was finally decided na gagawa talaga ng Aldab movie, ilan yung pin-prepare namin mga concepts. All catered to Alden and me. Kasi we felt we knew them well enough kung ano yung mga strengths nila, yung ganun. So talagang we wanted to create a movie just for them. One of my early decisions was not to do a remake. Kasi yun yung #1 na suggestion ng mga tao. Sabi ko, no, I'm not gonna do a remake because Alden and Main deserve more than that. They deserve something original and something really written for them. Marami kaming sinubukan. Yung iba, hindi ko na ikikwento. Alam ni Main yan, may mga stunts kaming sinubukan in terms of trying to come up with a story. Pero naka-7 kaming concept and all of them were rejected. And then it was the 8th. So out of nowhere, yung 8th concept, medyo nagtugma-tugma lahat doon. Parang everything came together. Lahat ng factors na hinahanap namin nandun na. So we went with that, which was itong story ng Imagine. And then, trivia. About the movie. Trivia. The idea of shooting in Como, Italy, that started 5 years ago. Kasi my father went to Como as a tourist, tapos na-inlove lang siya doon sa lugar. And then he has been trying to create a movie or make a movie based in Como ever since then, 5 years ago. Actually, a fan yesterday pointed out 5 years ago was also the first time they met. Yung sa Candy Fair, I think. 5 years ago was also when my father thought of one day I will make a movie in Como. And he tried. May mga naisip siyang mga concepts and projects, walang natuloy. So parang ito lang, dito lang again, parang dito nagtugma lahat, everything came together. Yo, so that's trivia kasi medyo, hindi ko nga na-realize yun na medyo may destiny talaga.
Alden, may you want to add anything to that? Or...
Well, in terms of creating the story po, we were given a chance to input our own ideas into the character. After the script, we had several sessions of workshop po before flying to Italy with Direct Mike, kaming tatlo po. So when we read the script, we thought if we could add a little touch of this, touch of that, in a way, made it into our personal, kumbaga pinersonalize po namin yung mga roles namin. So, in a way, it's a very, yung freedom po to have been able to incorporate ideas into the film is a big deal for us. So, napakabait po ng creative team itong Imagine yun, especially Direct Mike.
Oh, I have something to add to that. Kasi marami nagtatanong, for me to give an example of what they suggested. What you saw in the trailer, buti nga kaka-replay lang natin. What you saw in the trailer, yung scene na nandun sa parang garden, tapos nag-uusap silang dalawa na aalis ka na, ba't di mo sinabi sa akin? That was completely missing from the draft. So silang dalawa ang nagsabi. Direct kailangan namin, di ba? Yun eh. Oo. So kailangan namin ng, parang naghahanap kami ng eksena na ganito, na ganyan. So that scene would not exist at all if not for the two of them. Nandun na kami sa nasa rehearsal stage na kami. We were rehearsing scenes already. Tapos nung pinag-aaralan namin yung yung rhythm ng kwento, silang dalawa ay nag-agree pa. Sabi ko, nakakairita kayong dalawa, agree agad kayo, tag team. So talo agad ako, di ba? Outnumbered ako. Oo eh. Tapos yan, ito, and ang gusto ko sa kanila, they never, not once, never sila nag-suggest ng anything to make them look better, or yung pampagwapo, pampaganda, nothing. It was all about the story. It was all about character. So that scene na nakita nyo na medyo bida sa lahat ng mga trailers natin, that wouldn't exist if not for the trailer.
Okay.
Direct, ano kasi, wait lang. Ano yun, yung sa, okay naman talaga yung script yung original na script book. Talagang naisip lang namin ni Alden na dagdagan ng confrontation para merong sakit.
Yeah.
Parang kulang sa sakit parang gusto namin talagang masaktan yung mga manonood.
Sila ang umingi.
Yung gusto namin yun. Pero okay naman talaga siya yung yung original script, okay naman. Konting dagdag lang ng sakit. Ayun. Masakista talaga.
Add ko lang, when you say tailored yung script, di ba? So, ano yun? May nilagay pa ba na challenge for the two actors o talagang ano na lang siya? Parang go with the flow na lang siya with the script?
No, I honestly think this is probably the hardest things they've ever done. Si Maine kasi, this is her first starring role in a film. So kahit anong gawin namin, it was gonna be a challenge kasi bago. Lahat bago para kay Maine Kay Alden, sinabi ko sa kanya, and I kept repeating this, sabi ko, Alden, in terms of the Olympics, ikaw yung merong higher degree of difficulty. Kumbaga si Maine, kung straight dive lang at magawa ni Maine, okay na. Kumbaga kasi nakakasanayan Pero Alden, I need you to do more. Your character is much more complicated, much more difficult. In terms of character arc, medyo grabe yung character arc ng kay Alden. And kung hindi mo bantayan, if you give it to an actor with less experience and less talent than Alden, nakakagulo. I think you'll end up hating Andrew. Kasi you have to understand Andrew. Yun yung challenge ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, how can I watch the movie and I'll still fall in love with Andrew kahit ang dami niyang hugot, ang dami niyang bubog. And I think he nailed it. He did it perfectly.
Direct naman.
Okay, other questions? Taas nyo na kamay niyo para mag-po, sir.
Hi, Lorenzo from Manuel today. Question ko lang is, kasi yung, syempre may kalye sa rin kayo, tapos ito nga yung movie. ito, first question kay Direk. Are you really specific on some elements of Kalye Serie na ma-insert dito o totally ayaw mong walang hint ng Kalye Serie within the movie?
That's good. See, that was never asked. Exactly. That is the number one question I thought. Oh,
Relationship namin ni
ano ba kayo na? Na-miss ko lang eh. Na-miss ko lang. That's a wonderful question. That's one of the first decisions that was made by the producers. Kasi si Miss Jenny Ferry, who created the Kalye Serie, she was involved from the very beginning because creative consultant siya in the movie. And I told them, and they agreed, I don't want any aspect of Kalye Serie. It's for me, it's common sense. I'm a fan of Aldab. I'm part of Aldab Nation. Ang sa akin, nakikita ko na sila, si Alden at si Yaya Dab as characters. Nakikita ko na yan Monday to Saturday. So why will I want to see them on the big screen if I see them every day anyway, di ba? At sabi ko, if we're going to do this, bigyan natin sila ng challenge. You know, pahirapan natin sila. Kumbaga, this is leveling up. Oo. Kami tatlo na sa Kista. Oo. So, gusto ko mag-level up naman sila. So, very early on, it was decided, wala na. The only thing I missed, by the way, sa decision na yon was I couldn't use any of the Itbulaga. That's a personal thing for me. I wanted to use some of the Bulaga hosts, kay cameos and all that. But it was decided, because we don't want people to be distracted by other characters or other. So, we decided this is Andrew and Gara's world.
Okay? Sir. Tapos the lady at the back after.
Hello, Ellie Richards. Hello. Direct, you said a while ago that kailangan challenge mo si Alden. Do you think nagawa niya yung expectations mo?
Alam mo, that was asked of me. Ang problema ko kasi, the best example, hindi ko makwento because it's a spoiler for the movie. Pero, sige.
Ano ba yan?
Wala naman nanonood.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi, ganito na lang. Kinuwento ko kasi sa kanya, si the great Lino Broca before, when he would direct his actors, lalo na si Hilda Coronel, he tells them where to cry. Alam niyo naman tayo, it's part of urban legend already. Sinasabi niya kay Tita Hilda, dapat gusto ko sa kaliwa lang o sa kanan lang, gano'n. That became a running joke for me and Alden because sabi ko, si Alden kasi sobrang galing na umiyak. Sabi ko, pero the tears don't impress me, Alden ha. I need to see it in the eyes. Yes, direct, gumaganon siya. So, ang joke ko sa kanya, pagtapos itong pelikulang to, parang nakatono ka na, hasang-hasa ka na, kahit umiyak ka pataas, kaya mo na. So, there was one scene. So, yan ang joke namin. Sabi ko, kaya ka na. Kasi ikot sa kabila. Tapos natatawa naman si Alden. Tapos, there was one scene where it was a dramatic scene. I can't tell you what it is because yun ang spoiler siya. Hindi, pero sinabi ko, sige, ilalabas ko nga yung alas na yun. Tingnan natin. Sabi ko, then ganito. Gagawin mo yung eksena, hindi ka pwedeng umiyak. Malungkot yung eksena, hindi ka pwedeng umiyak. Gusto ko nang ngilid lang yung luha. Okay? Tapos, gusto ko, babagsak yung luha. But only in this line. Not before, not after. Of course, I will admit now, Alden Richards, that I was not 100% serious. Para sa akin, kahit anong acting ni Alden, pasok naman eh. Kasi magaling siyang artista. Pero sabi ko, why not? Buong pelikula, we were joking about it. Sabi ko, gusto ko ganito. Tsaka by the way, so sabi niya, sige direct, yan, pressure na siya. Tapos, last nga pala Alden, dapat sa kanan lang kasi nandito camera ko. So okay, so may timing, bawal umiyak sa umpisa, tapos may timing ko kailan nakasync siya sa isang line, tapos dapat kanan lang. Sige direct. We did it, one take, he did it.
Wow.
And you will see, when you guys see the scene, you will know. Number one, kaya pala hindi makwento ni Direk kung anong eksena yon. Number two, ang galing ng Alden Richards. Fairness.
Direk, ayoko ng mga ganyan.
Sakto yun guys. Makikita nyo, pag binitawan na dun sa line, okay.
Okay, one more question. We all know that you created the movie because of the popularity of the two characters, the two actors, and we know then it's for commercial purposes, right? And what do you think is the major takeout ng isang viewer or ng mga viewers after watching the movie na hindi lang Aldab yung kita namin dito or not only Alden Richards and May Mendoza?
Ang sa akin kasi, sabi ko nga nung una, when the producers asked me about the movie, sabi ko, sigurado ba kayo? Kasi ang uso ngayon ng movie, yung mga hugot, mga breakup, gano'n, hindi bagay sa akin yun. Sabi ko, I'm married, I have 3 kids, we just celebrated our 50th anniversary, we've been together 25 years, 26 years. So, hindi yata akong bagay sa gano'n, di ba? And then, sila Miss Jenny na nagsabi sa akin, no, that's the kind of love story we want. Para naman huwag tayo makisabay. Kasi ang medyo uso ngayon is yung medyo nega, it's pain, it's breaking up and stuff like that. Sabi ko, I want to contribute naman of something, yung may forever. There is relationships take work and everything, pero there's a reason why we all fall in love. Di ba, Alden and May?
Last question, sorry. Sabi mo kanina na May is a newbie, pero we all know na nanalo siya ng Best Supporting Actress last year. So, do you think, is that enough? Yung ginagawa niya dito is not enough to prove the bashers na hindi, she's really an actress?
No, si May, honestly, her greatest critic is herself. So kahit anong sabihin ng ibang bashers, ng competition or whatever, she's never happy until ma-reach niya yung sarili niyang standard. Sobra siyang perfection, sobra. Even, kailangan, kasi yan, ito pa, hindi siya nakikinig sa akin. Ito. So tapos na yung eksena, okay, kahit nakailang takes na, sabi ko, perfect, galing, May, galing. Hindi rin. Ganun siya. Tapos sabi ko, alam ko na ito, Alden, sabi sa kanya maganda yung take, kasi hindi siya nakikinig sa akin. Pero pag si Alden na nagsabi, okay.
Laglagan pala to, no?
Ay, laglagan talaga to. Sorry, inimbatan niyo ako dito.
May, do you want to add to that?
Hindi. I was never good enough for anybody. Ewan ko. Siguro nasa ko lang, sa sarili ko na lang din yun. Hindi naman sa perfectionist, pero meron akong gustong mangyari. Meron akong standard sa sarili ko. And tingin ko, sobrang hirap bago ko mapantayan. So talagang sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, hindi lang basta dito sa akin, sa lahat. Parang feeling ko, hindi ko siya kayang gawin, hindi ko siya magagawa. Sobrang pessimist ko kasi dito. Kaya ako nandito direct para magsabong ng kaligahan sa buong mundo. Charot!
Okay, to the lady over at the back.
Cards papasa na lang sa kanya. Ison pa.
Hello, congratulations sa Alden and May.
Thank you po.
As I've noticed, the trailer showed a little bit a Hollywood film na sobrang ang linis-linis ng gawa. Would you like to tell us about the post-product of the film? Paano po ginawa?
Well, in terms of look, yung look talaga, I have to credit that to Michelle Sarte, who is the cinematographer, and to Miss Candy Alipio, who is the PD. We spent months and months trying to figure out kung ano yung look ng pelikula, kung ano yung what will dictate yung costumes nila. It's all planned. And then, pero in terms of post, I basically use the same team again and again kasi I'm very, very old-fashioned. So whenever I make a movie, it's still the same people. The last thing we did as a group was The Janitor 2 years ago, which is the farthest thing from Imagine You and Me. It's very, very violent and but it's the same team. It's the exact same team. Because meron na kaming medyo shorthand. May shortcut na kami. And we're fast, we're efficient. Kasi we've known each other, we've worked together for so long already. Kaya medyo, lahat yun. The only way you can make a film look good is team effort. And of course, kahit anong ganda ng pelikula, anong ganda ng lighting or yung production design and everything, kung yung dalawang artista mo naman hindi magde-deliver, wala rin, di ba? So parang kumbaga, Alden and Maine gave us the opportunity para pagandahin talaga yung pelikula.
Pero direct, last question na po before I pass it on to Astigma Chismis. Ano po yung inspiration niyo since this is Imagine You and Me, this is romantic film, and somehow you also have inspiration of your own vision of a beautiful love story from a Hollywood film you watched and inspired you. ano po yung pelikulang medyo para sa inyo greatest romantic film of all time? Naka-inspire.
Kayo muna.
Siguro yung ano, favorite love story film.
Oh, ako, When Harry Met Sally. I like When Harry Met Sally. Ganun ako eh, kasi I like that. I like when my wife and I were still boyfriend girlfriend, we both loved the same movie. And we knew, parang ano yata tayo, sync yata tayo. Because I like that. I like those kinds of love stories, yung medyo grounded in real life. Yung medyo, you become friends first, and yung gano'n. I like that.
When Mike met Penny.
May ganon. Ako alam ko ang favorite. Ito marami, ito ang ano.
Oo, si May ng source eh. Si May ang nag-influence ni Alden na manood ng mga ganung pelikula.
Hindi ko naman nanonood.
Napanood ko yung ano.
Yung mga pinapanood ko sa kanya.
Have to remember.
Pero hindi niya kasi think yung ganung movies eh. Pero
Nakakatuwa na pinapanood mo yun. Yeah, Walk to Remember, this year lang niya napanood. Grabe, ate! 24 anyos ka na, Walk to Remember, ngayon na lang napanood. Ayun, mahilig kasi ako sa ano ko, sa rom-com, sa chick flick. Pero dito siguro maihahalin tulad ko sa ano, sa Serendipity. Ang ganda ng, aminin niyo, parang panood din yung Serendipity. Di ba ang ganda? Di ba? Ang ganda. Ayun, kasi ito rin eh, parang di ba yung movie din natin talagang about destiny, about the perfect man, hindi naman, the right time, the right man, gano'n. So yun, pag napanood nyo talaga i-connect nyo sa mga pelikulang gusto namin. Ikaw, anong favorite mong rom-com? And then, favorite mong romantic movie?
Fault in Our Stars.
Napaka-dated, napaka-up-to-date. Well, basically kasi, I really seldom watch chick flicks. Minsan lang pag nagkakataon, pag wala talagang movies, pag nasimulan.
Grabe ka naman.
Pero mostly kasi may suggest really good ones. Simulan na sa Walk to Remember.
Pero ako ko 25 years.
Tapos ano yung isa?
When I was early one.
Ay! Ano yun? He's just not that.
He's just not
Pero hindi ko pa napapansin.
Hindi pa. Tsaka, well, Fault in Our Stars basically kasi the intensity of the acting, the intensity of the story. Ang sarap bunga ng ganung film.
Masakit, no?
Ang sakit-sakit after watching it. Tapos, after ko siyang panoorin, parang na-realize ko yung mga bagay na meron ako. We're still so blessed. So yung mga ganun po. Well, chick flicks pa more. Coming soon.
Coming soon.
Hindi kasi tsaka mas tumatatak kasi din pag yung masakit, pag yung nasasaktan ka, parang siguro mga 5 taon bago ka makamove on dun sa story. Parang may asawa ka na, tapos yung pa rin yung di ba?
Twice or thrice mo siyang panoorin, ang sakit pa rin.
Masakit pa din, walang
Tsaka yung
sawa
The
factor.
Notebook.
Ayun, ganun. Kaya sana din, sana po maging ganun din po yung pelikula namin na masarap ulit-ulitin kahit... Ayan, sinasegue. July 13.
Okay, we'll take one question from Janelle, then the lady over here, then sir.
I'm John from Geeksforyu.com. My question is for me. Siyempre, matawag kang kilig moments dito sa movie. But my question is, if you can share briefly, may particular moment na pinaka-close na nangyari na between sa inyong dalawa in real life?
Ay, how close po sa movie?
Yeah.
Parang
yung nangyari sa movie na close na in real life.
Sa nangyari sa ano ba?
Kissing scene.
Yes! Ito sa to be exact, medyo yung quite close.
Malapit
Maybe
lang.
nung una kayong nagkita or...
Kasi ito, unang kita, bad trip.
Uy!
Bad trip, hindi ba? Kasi yung... But difference kasi, nung unang kita namin ni May sa nung TV Battle for Hours.
Hindi naman bad trip ang naramdaman ko nun eh. Yung pag-plywood. So, very different. Ikaw yung
Ano ba?
close.
Isip ako.
Kung hindi say maybe opposite, maybe ironic, compared to the real life. Wala, unique talaga yung scenes.
Opo, unique eh.
Wala akong naisip na close sa atin.
Malapit po sa akin.
Trigger ng memories. Sige,
Pero mabalikan ko po kayo dyan.
We'll pass that.
Text ko po kayo. number di ba?
Meron po, kaya na we really can't say kasi it's a spoiler na po eh.
Sige po, we'll watch.
Parang biglang naging lip readers pa mga
Opo.
Surprise
Yun.
Surprise kasi. Yun.
Mag-usap po tayo sa
Parang,
Wednesday.
parang that scene, parang replicates Out of Before. Ano siya, yung showcase niya po, yung
Showcasing it was very technical. But if you watched it, you will see na this is Aldab when we were starting.
Diba, Luisi.
Hindi nagkakatagpo.
Mismo.
For the two of you, for Aden and what do you think is the biggest takeaway of your viewers dito sa Messina?
Ano po? Come again po, ma'am. Biggest takeaway.
And the second question, para hindi na po balik-balik. Kayong dalawa, what was your takeaway from the experience filming in Italy?
Well, kasi ang dami naming nagawa sa Italy, ang dami namin experience, and ang dami rin namin natutunan ni Alden doon eh. And feeling ko hindi lang kapag napanood ng masa yung pelikula, sila din. May mga matututunan din sila about love, about life, about destiny, about meeting people. Ang dami eh, ang dami siguro tatak sa kanila.
Well, ako naman po, parang the experience was really different upon reading the script than doing it in action na. So, ang layo niya kasi when you read it and when you do it. So, kami ni Maine, we've learned a lot professionally, personally with each other, and siguro the fans will take something, what they can take from the movie is parang siguro love, how love really works. You know, how love finds its way regardless of the circumstances in life. Siguro basically that's it.
Okay? Magaling magtanong mga vlogger, no? Okay, sir.
Okay, maganda lang, Mike.
Or you, boy?
May question ko is, pang-intro kasi yung question ko. So, can you give us a brief background of your characters and the story? And kung nakaka-relate kayo sa mga characters mo. Intro yung tanong.
Well, ito ilang beses na natin nasagot. Ako kasi si Gara at medyo similar naman kasi yung personality ni Gara kay Maine. Kasi siguro para lang dun sa pagiging optimist. Pero naging optimist na rin ako din. I'm trying. Oo. Positive kasi si Gara and alam mo yun, parang siya kasi naniniwala siya na everything happens for a reason. And Gara is very, hopeless romantic kasi siya. And ako, somehow, hopeless romantic din ako kasi naniniwala ako sa existence ng soulmates, ng true love. So, ganun si Gara. And siya kasi, kapag nakaka-experience siya ng, hindi maganda experience, so kaya sa love, sa life, hindi siya yung tipong naglulog mo. Parang positive pa rin yung outlook niya na kahit meron siya pinagdaanan na gano'n, alam niya na may rason lahat yun, na in the end, magiging okay din na lahat, magiging positive din ang outcome. So, ganun si Gara. Similar with me.
Yun po. Si Andrew kasi kung makita niyo lang po sa trailer, napaka-iyakin. So that's number 1. Number 2, in a way kasi, minsan masungit talaga ako eh. So yun yung mga characters ni Andrew, sungit. Tapos, pero the good thing about him naman is, if he loves, he gives it his all. Kaya grabe rin siyang masaktan. Yung I did my best, but I guess my best. Yun, so, yun, in a way, pero dun kasi po sa trailer, you can see naman na Andrew, in the beginning, has this dark side. So they need to figure out, or as they watch the film, they will understand. So yun, I also have a dark side.
May na-insulto ako.
Uy! Dark side? Physically, hindi, I mean, lahat naman tayo, we all have our dark sides. Yung light side and the dark side. So, ako meron pa rin well, all of us. It's just that I'm very vocal with it.
Okay. Sige, follow.
How was the whole experience shooting the movie, and kung pwede yung i-share yung mga favorite scenes na na-shoot niyo dun sa movie?
Spoiler!
Hindi, lang, kahit bit lang nung...
Nagpapaalam.
Basta sobrang nag-enjoy kami while shooting the film. As in, nahihirapan kaming lahat dahil nga yung mga struggles doon, like yung sa weather, ganyan. Pero sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami. And sobrang bagong experience natin sa amin ito. And yung favorite scene ko,
Sorry po, we need to consult muna.
yung isa sa mga favorite scenes kayo mapakita mamaya. Basta yung mga light scenes, yun yung favorite ko. Kasi dun lang yung kaya ko. Yung sa heavy scenes, wag na naman.
Hindi kasi basically yung light scenes po kasi parang hindi na po kami maarte.
Totoo. Sobrang natural po sa akin.
Parang yung action po, cue na lang yan to be ourselves.
Pero yung mga favorite,
What was your favorite part of the story?
I love that too.
I like that part. My favorite part.
Ang sarap ng tawa ni
Marami pong nakakaaliw na parts ko. Kaya
Sobra po.
sigurado po ako mag-enjoy.
Kasi pag sinabi na po natin, spoiler na eh.
Spoiler na.
Kaya po nag-solve ko muna.
Yes.
May isa ako, yung umere na restaurant scene. Yung nagpapaturo si Alden kung paano mag-Italia. The story about that scene is I set up the 2 cameras and then I just let it roll. Bahala na hanggang maubos lang talaga. Kasi meron nga silang lines pero I think 80% of that is ad-lib. So that is where you see the chemistry of an Alden and a Maine. Hindi mo kailangan scripted lahat. I just let them play and then doon mo makikita yung mga nuances you can't direct that. Mga happy accidents na yun.
Yung scene na po yun sa restaurant, ginawa po namin ni Alden na may tampuhan po kami.
Actually.
Hindi po kami nagpapansinan before
Before the take.
Opo. So, nung nag-roll na, saka naman,
Ang hirap eh.
Mahirap. Actually, mahirap magtrabaho lang hindi kami okay.
What was the reason?
Wag na.
Personal na po yun. Pero yung mga maliliit na tampuhan lang kasi madalas po napapalaki namin.
Doon kami nagkaroon ng deal na hindi namin papahabain yung mga tampuhan.
Oo, di ba?
Oo. Nakakainis. So yun. And kasi actually po, kahit naman po siguro
Kaninong love team, pag meron talagang di tampuhan in terms of sa work, mahirap pong kumilos. Mahirap gawing I don't know direct if you noticed that. It's really hard to fake it if something's wrong.
Okay, so, sir?
Hello, sir. Hi, Direk.
Teka, bigyan mo muna siya ng chance mag-recover.
Oh my God.
Sorry. 2 days po.
Ayan, siguro kay Direk po muna.
Yes.
Direk, making this film is probably like the biggest challenge of all. Kasi you actually have a lot of equipment also. Paano nyo sinors yun? Did you also use like an Italian crew to shoot? Paano yung coordination nyo with them? And did you also bring people from the Philippines to actually go there?
Yeah, yung tinatawag namin Team Italia, the group that went there was just 24 people from here. Which is a big enough crew. I was very thankful sa mga producers natin na nag-invest talaga sila. Pero 24 people is very few to make a movie.
Yes.
If you're in the Philippines, mahina ang 150 with all the crew and everything. So, kailangan talaga namin ng tulong sa Italy. So, we actually got an Italian crew to help us. So, it was half Pinoy, half Italian na group. If you guys saw the primer yesterday, doon, pinakilala namin most of the crew. Pero yung mga syempre yung mga sobrang importanteng mga trabaho like director of photography and production designer, yun mga Pinoy lahat yun. Tapos the crew were mainly yung manual, like grips, gaffers, yung mga ganon. Marunong naman sila mag-English, okay naman. Noong una lang, hindi talaga nila, wala silang idea how big Aldab was. Kaya nung sa pagdating lang nitong dalawang to sa airport, sobrang nagkagulo na. Doon lang nila na-realize, sinabi nila sa amin. Because, and then the fact that a group of fans would always follow us every single location. For the whole time we were in Italy, every single location, nahahanap kami. Yun nga, sinabi nila, they worked on Ocean's 12 with George Clooney, Brad Pitt, Matt Damon. They worked on The Tourist with Angelina Jolie, and that never happened.
Wow.
That never happened with Hollywood stars. Kasi joke namin palagi is daan muna tayo sa villa ni George Clooney, gano'n. Tapos yung sinasabi, well, George Clooney was never followed around like Alda. It's true. Pumunta kami na, hindi ko pwede sabihin kung saan tayo pumunta. We went to another city in Italy. Yung medyo Okay, we went to Verona. Okay, so we went to Verona, which is 3.5 hours away. So when we went to Verona, nag-stop kami sa isang gas station. We were 6 big vans. Tapos sunod-sunod kami nag-park, baba kaming lahat. If you wanna buy drinks or whatever. Pag-park namin lahat, tuloy-tuloy may mga nagpa-park ang tabi namin. Yun yung mga Pinoy na fans. Kasama kami all the way. They went all the way to Verona, they went all the way back. Talagang kahit, and they've never seen that. Not even Hollywood stars have that kind of following.
Meron pa from the US direct, travel po.
Meron pang from the US, UK, Germany. Kasi yung mga fans din, they really respected our wish. Nag-request kami na sana wag kumuha ng mga pictures or mag-request ng mga selfie during the shoot. Pero pag backup po, lalabas po sila ng hotel, and they did that. So they would entertain the fans, they would have selfies taken every night yun. So nagiging tradition yun.
During your stay.
For 3 weeks. Naging grabe lang on the last day. Kasi nagko-complain na yata yung hotel. There was a mob. Kasi last day na namin yun.
By the way, this is the first time that I've seen Maine in person.
Disappointed po.
Hindi na. It's the first time that I've actually heard from you na isa kang pessimistic na tao. Is that what you're trying to imply earlier ba?
Yes po. Tingin ko, ever since parang sobrang pessimistic ko, then tinatry kong maging optimist. Kaya yung vlog ko yung title nun, The Pessimistic Optimist Guy. Ganun siya. Ewan ko, bakit sa lahat ng bagay, bakit parang puro tingin ko lagi, hindi maganda yung kakalabasan. Meron akong ganung attitude na hindi tama. Pero ngayon, in-work ko na siya na parang maging, optimist. Kasi hindi nakakatulong sa akin yung pagiging negative. Parang, the more na ina-expect ko na magiging negative yung outcome, magiging ganun talaga yung labas. Kasi syempre, law of attraction. And talagang, kapag positive naman yung iniisip mo, lahat, kung ano, kung meant naman talaga na ganun yung nangyari. Pero ayun, sobrang pessimist ko lang, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero feeling ko hindi yun yung isang bagay na hindi maaalis sa akin.
So it's something like already like innate.
Yes po. Feeling ko lang pagka sa akin ng nanay ko. Nag-complain na agad ako sa nila. Ganun po. Parang ganun feeling ko kung ganun yung nangyari. Ewan ko, pero tingin ko naman sa kanya good thing naman siya minsan. Yung hindi puro positive.
Means, nag-expect ka din ng mataas para sa sarili mo. I mean, are you expecting a lot?
Paano po naman?
I mean, yung sa sarili mong performance, parang hard ka na ba sa sarili mo usually?
So po, I'm always hard on myself po, sa lahat po ng bagay. Parang never po ako na-convince ng mga sinasabi ng tao about sa akin, kahit good thing pa to, kahit sobrang papuri na, never po ako na-convince. Kasi parang tingin ko, hindi po ako ganun. May alam ako sa sarili ko na, kilala ko po yung sarili ko. I know what I am and I know what I'm not. So parang ang hirap nila akong i-convince sa mga bagay-bagay. Ewan ko, so siguro sobrang taas lang yung standards ko and sobrang hard ko lang sa sarili ko. Pero minsan parang sarap din mag-let loose lang. Sige na nga. Sige na nga. Kahit ngayong oras lang, papaniwalaan ko naman sila. Para lang, kasi nakakagaan din ang loob. Kasi mabigat siya eh. Mabigat siya. Pero kasi, nasanay ako sa gano'n. So, ang hirap alisin sa akin.
Okay, I'm seeing hands from people who already asked questions. Pero to give chance to others, unahin ko muna yung hindi pa nakakapagtanong. And request lang, in the interest of time, try to keep it to 1 question each para at least, actually dapat may clear Q&A, pero mukhang okay naman, di ba? So, tuloy lang natin. So, sir.
for direct or maybe Main and Alden can comment too. Kasi madami na rin nagko-quote online. I mean, the movie looks expensive. So may nagko-comment na 100 million daw on the first day. And maybe the goal is to make it one of the top 10 most watched films of all time. What's your reaction on that, direct? And Main and Alden?
Well, honestly, kasi box office has never been box office has never been the most important thing for me. I've never accepted any project because may potential siya for high box office. If it doesn't inspire me, then I will do a bad job, I promise you. You know, if I'm not inspired by the story, if I'm not in love, that's why I need to be in love with the story and I need to be in love with these two. What the heck? So, yeah, I have to be inspired eh. And with kung gaano kahirap yung shoot namin, you really have to be passionate about your work. With everything that Alden and Main went through, kasi not even the shoot yung ano pa lang, rehearsals pa lang namin. Pag mag-workshop, kasi I had a private workshop with these two, when you do a workshop, you go into your deepest, darkest memories, whatever hurt you and all of that's part of that. Every professional actor does that. Pero to do that, di ba sana naman worth it yung trabaho? That's why box office would be the last of my. I mean, I am really hoping that Out of Nation comes out and supports the movie because we did this for the fans. But at the end of the day, my biggest concern is if we made a good movie. And I'm confident we made a good movie.
Correct. Wala naman kami, correct. Hindi naman po kami nag-expect na yung tulad po na sinabi nyo, and lalo na din sa kumakalat na 1 billion,
Opening day, 100 million.
Hindi po wala po matutuwanan yun. Ang ano lang naman po kasi namin, ito po yung isa po sa regalo namin sa mga tao pong nagmahal sa amin, sumuporta from the beginning. Kaya yun po, regalo lang po namin sa kanila to, and gusto lang namin na makasaya po sila na itong pelikula. Yun lang po, wala na po kaming ibang objective para sa pelikula.
All of the above.
Okay, so we'll have a question from the gentleman with the lady and probably one last question in the interest of time and marami pa tayong gagawin.
Compared dun sa mga ibang this is your second movie. Compared dun sa movie nyo na nauna, how romantic you are, yung pakikita nyo rito sa mga fans nyo rito. Siyempre, isang inaabangan din ay yung kissing scene. Gaano karami, o gaano katindi, o gaano katagal yung kissing scene na abangan sa inyo dito. Ilang takes? Kasi si Direk. Tapos yung last question ko siguro yung dugtong mo na, kasi may mga nagtatanong, siyempre sa UK nyo sinut ko, kailan mo ipapalabas sa UK yung movie? Sa Italy. Yes.
Anong movie yan? Anong pelikula yan, Kuya Al?
Ay, grabe.
How romantic.
Ay, ito may nakalimutan ko yun. And then, yung first movie po kasi namin, ayun yung sa kasi sa May Bebe Love, wala naman po talaga kasi kami masyadong, supporting lang po kasi kami doon. So hindi po kami masyadong nagtuunan ng pansin. At doon, since sagsagan po ng ating serye yun, ang mga ginawa lang po namin doon, mga bebe, mga cute-cute lang. Actually, parang romantic level na ba yung ano doon?
Kumbaga yung
kumbaga puppy love, parang about
kukulang po siya of the entire body that they will see in
ibang pelikula na po ito, parang nag-mature na yung mga ano namin, yung mga characters. Diba? Nag-mature na. Nag-mature na. So talagang yung romantic level din yung ano namin doon, yung relationship namin doon. Nag-level up mo din. About...
Direct!
Dahil yung ginawa namin sa Bebe Love, kumaway lang kami doon.
Tapos may supporting na yun!
Yun lang! Wait lang! Best support. Bakit? Hindi ko ba rin po maisip hanggang ngayon. Puro may natin balikan, pero bakit? Yung pinalita sa akin yun, yung best support. Ha? Bakit? So ayun, going back. About naman sa eating team, meron ba?
Direct, you have to answer that, Direct. Have to answer. Minsan nakakalimot kami, Direct.
Kasi tinanong ako ng press ko, ulitin ko, ano ba? On screen or off? Ano ba? Ayusin na natin, di ba? Teka, meron ba akong pruweba dito? Uy! Ano ginagawa niyo na? Hindi, everyone asks about the kissing scene. Eh, di ba ang peg nga namin Serendipity? O, di mo lang sila magkasama din sa Serendipity. O, baka pa mag-kissing scene. Yun na.
Hindi, if there is, or if there is a kissing scene or not, importante that you have to see the movie to find out. Kumbaga, importante siya dun sa pelikula if ever meron o hindi. So yun, kasama po siya sa mystery.
Showing
daw sa labas.
Sa Italy, yes. I believe the showing in Italy is end of July. All of the international screenings are a little bit delayed kasi mas matagal yung mga procedures eh. Pero ang unang nagsara was Milan and Rome. Sila yung una. So I guess the OFW community sa Italy, they really love these two. Kasi syempre, sila yung mga bumisita, di ba? Sila yung nag-support talaga ng pelikula. So, two of the territories na unang nag-commit was Rome and Milan.
Okay, Rebecca, can you just
Hi, Rebecca from When in Manila. So kanina na-mention na sobrang devoted ng fans sa inyo, na sinusunod pa kayo all around your shooting locations. So the question is for both of you. What is the most touching thing na ginawa sa iyo ng isang fan?
Doon po or in total? In general.
Well, doon, yung fact lang na iniintay nila kami the whole day matapos. Para lang makapagpa-picture, makapagpapirma ng magazine sa t-shirt. Kung tutusin, sobrang liit na bagay nun. Pero yung buong araw nila, doon nila sinispend para lang hintayin kami. Kung sino ba naman ang hindi ko work day lang ba nila? Thursday ang ano po nila, day off po nila doon kasi. And yung ibang yun nga po, tulad po nasabi namin kanina, meron pa po nag-travel all the way from the States and UK para lang po makita kami. Parang, gaano ba kami ka-importante sa inyo para po gugulan nyo kami ng ganong oras? Parang sobra-sobra naman.
Ako naman po, in general, kapag meron po lumapit sa amin ni May, tapos sasabihin na, you changed our lives. Parang coming from, let's say, there's this Lola na namatayan, and then she lives in the States, alone, in Orange County. In Marina County. Tapos, when Aldab started, when her husband died, matanda na po sila. Parang, sila na lang dalawa yung magkasama sa buhay. And then nawala po yung husband. So, she was lost. She was, I think, 60 or 70 years old. Tapos, nung nag-start daw po yung Aldab, gave her new life. Those are the things that really inspires us na we're doing this, we're having fun, and then at the same time, we inspire people. And then, kagaya po nung sabi ni May na naghihintay. I mean, sino ba naman kami para magkaroon ng group of people there to wait 6 hours, 6-7 hours sa hotel lobby until ma-pack up kami just to see us and have photos. That means a lot to us. Hindi lang nila alam, pero that's a big deal po.
Okay, sir?
Hindi ba ngayon, isa ako. Grabe ng daldal ko. Parang, hanggang ngayon iniisip ko pa din po kung ano bang ginawa namin para pumapit na namin yung buhay nila ng gano'n. Parang yun nga po kasi, since active po ako sa social media, nagbabasa rin ako ng mga messages ng tao. And ang dami ko pong nababasa na sinasabi nila na pasuko na sila sa buhay, meron na almost magsusuicide na, alam mo yun, sobrang down na nila. And kung dumating kami, parang sobrang nagbago yung buhay nila, sobrang saya na nila. Parang sobrang nakaka-overwhelm. Bakit? Hindi ko alam kung ano ba ginawa natin, bakit ganun tayo? Ganun yung naiwan natin sa tao.
It's hard for us to
Hindi po namin
to comprehend. Hindi namin maintindihan. Up
pero
to this point.
Pero sobrang laking bagay sa kanila yung ginagawa natin. Kaya, ito po, regalo namin sa kanila, July 30. Kailangan ko lang ito naman. Lalaban na nga ako.
Balik.
Okay, tamaan tayo.
Question kay Main kay Alden. I'm Ted Claudio of Was Up That Page. Ang question ko lang tungkol sa story, no? So ano po sa character ni Alden, ano yung dalawang katangian niya na nagustuhan ng character mo sa movie? Para ma-imagine na that it will be you and him. And vice versa, of course.
Siguro kasi si Gara, gusto niyang kumpletuhin si Andrew. Kasi Di ba, Direk? Kasi,
Bakit may ganyan?
May ano eh,
Bakit may
may reaction shot eh.
double meaning?
ayun, gusto po niyang kompletuhin si Andrew kasi wasak. Eh, parang tingin po niya na merong missing piece kay Andrew. And gusto niya na siyang mag-fill in. Oo.
Well, basically, Andrew is, kumbaga parang ano siya, ano ba tawag doon? May nangyari kasi sa buhay niya. That's why he was like that, sa trailer. Suplado, actually wala talaga siyang pakialam. So, ang nagustuhan niya kay Gara is, how hard Gara tried to be in Andrew's life. Yun, kumbaga, at first, save yan, no? So, how Gara tried to be in Andrew's life na to fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks. Ang hirap, di ba? Spoiler na kasi, sir! Sorry!
Okay, so...
so-
Follow-up question. So in real life, can you imagine you and me, you and him? Sa real life. So ano yung sabi ni Alden na why you would imagine him to be you and him?
Well, kasi nakilala ko na rin po talaga si Alden. Yung mga hindi po nakikita sa kanya ng mga tao, yung relationship po kasi namin, deeper na yun. So merong mga things about po na hindi nakikita ng lahat, hindi alam ng lahat. And ako lang, nakakaalam. So parang ngayon, parang sigara, parang gusto ko din na kung ano man yung kulang sa pagkatao. Gusto kong ano yun. Gusto kong buo yan.
Wow!
Magalang na naman ako!
Sorry po, Alden. Sorry po.
Okay, safe. Ayun po, parang in a way, since nga, main...
Kumakain.
Nasa adobo yun. Since main, parang ang nangyari nga is like Andrew and Gara. So, I like the... What I like about Maine ever since we had the chance to be with each other on and off cam is how she can always lend herself, not an ear, but herself to me whenever I need someone.
Wow! Bigat!
Indeed.
Pero baka pwede laban siya.
Okay, so for the next part, Direk, baka pwedeng, may papakita kami sa inyong exclusive clip ng movie. This is not been uploaded yet. So after this, we will be giving all of you a USB stick. So lahat kayo pwede nyo i-upload. Paunahan kayo. Pagalingan na lang ang connection kung sino unang ma-upload sa inyo. Okay, so Direk, baka pwede mo i-intro.
Yes, actually this is a gift from us to you guys. Just to be fair, doon sa press call, may pinakita akong clip, pero hindi siya na-upload. Hindi siya in-upload, hindi namin binigay yung kopya because may konting spoiler yun eh. Pero yung mga nakakita lang, given na namin yun. Pero ito, bago to. So this is a brand new scene. No one has seen this. Kahit ito sa press con, this is a complete scene and you guys will have copies of this if you guys wanna, please upload it. This is just another example kung gaano ganda yung chemistry nitong dalawa na to.
Actual scene.
Parang talaga yan.
Eh, ganun talaga yun.
Oo, ganun.
Yung mukha ko.
Alam, pag yung mukha mo hindi na bumalik sa dati, ewan ko na lang.
Ay, nako. Pag uwi ko ng Pinas next month, sigurado ako miss mo din ang pagmumukhang ko.
Tingnan.
Hindi ka makatingin.
Teka lang. Huwag mo lang yung ngiti mong yan. Yan. Oh, gagagalaw. Ayan.
Eh, di hindi mo talaga lang iniintay eh.
Yung kikita ko sa puma. Yun. Diba?
kinakain eh.
Gusto mo yung ending na lang?
Correct!
Ending kami
Huwag
sa
na gawin mo. Ending ko.
Okay, yun lang, just a small gift. No one has seen this other than the post team, kayo lang yung unang nakakita ng scene. So there.
Regalo po namin ito sa inyo kaya July 13.
Oh, kaya July 13. Siguro before we have them settle down and you guys make their own, para lang din makuha nila, baka you can invite them and the people watching, ang daming naka-live eh. Lahat yan naka-live Facebook to watch the movie on July 13. So, main Alden or July, sino man.
Ayan, ito na finally, bibigyan ako ng pagkakaroon para ibitahin po kayo mga nandito ngayon. Ayan, una po, maraming salamat po sa nandito po ngayon dahil po nandito po kayo ngayon. Maraming salamat. Ang presensya niyo po ay nag-matter po sa amin. Pero yun, inibitahan po namin kayo ni Alden na sana po ay panoorin niyo po ang kauna-unahan po namin. So dito na Imagine You and Lisa. July 30 na po yan. 3 days na lang. Nakasigurado po kami na magugustuhan niyo ito. Aldab fan man o hindi. Sigurado ako. Hopefully, magustuhan niyo po. Ayan, para po ito sa lahat ng nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa amin.
All of the above. Joke lang. Well, yun po, thank you for your time to our dear vloggers. And yun po, on July 13, showing na po yung Imagine You and Me. And sana nandito si Ayen. No, she was really excited for this film. So, yun, Ayen, wherever you are, I'm sure he's gonna be there. So, yun, and then, yun po, sa July 12 is the premiere night po in SM Cinemas. Mega Mall, Cinemas 9. So, thank you for your time.
Direct, baka kayo po? Well, last lang, I think they said everything. Pero just to repeat what Maine said, this is our gift. This is our gift to the Aldab fans, to the non-Aldab fans. Kumbaga kami lahat dito hopeless romantic. So we just wanted to contribute, to sa mga movies na yan. May mga movies na napag-usapan natin kanina na mga nag-inspire sa amin, ng mga love story. Sana maka-inspire din to sa mga iba't tao. Thank you.
Okay guys, palakpakan naman natin sila. So, we'll take a few photos of them, the three of them here. Then I'll ask all of you to